They're not coming in yet. They're not coming in. I'm just getting everybody's position. Where's the other one? Where's Stay down. I'm just getting everybody's position. They're not coming in yet. Good! Don't shoot me. Come on in! Hey! Come on in! Come on! Okay, you guys are wasting battery! Let's go! Will, somebody needs to get around over there. Marcus, go, 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 I'll cover, go! There's an hole in the back! Where? Contact! Shit! Right there! 2 tango, 3 tango, down the village! Shit! What the hell? Get the camera out of my face! Did I hit you? Yeah, I hit somebody first time.
Finally earned that fucking badge.
That's right, you'll get me 5 times today. He's out. That's Lieutenant Richardson, for the record.
Lieutenant Richardson,
Hey, for the record, Colonel Colero, Colonel Repko.
I already named the names.
Oh, never mind.
Let's go.
Go. Michael, get out here, yeah?
Ain't nobody back there.
Go in.
Okay, now it's Will.
See what I want you to do?
I stay on Will. I just stayed on you.
Okay, I need you to just stop the camera and restart again for the stage.
No. I will restart it later.
No, it'll be back. Here, look.
No, I got this,
Just
dude.
hit the button twice.
No.
Fuck up. Now it's gonna hang out on here.
Freckles.
Hey!
Out. Out.
Dang! Michael! Hey, come
Freckles
on!
is out.
Michael, look over here.
There's still more in. Shut up.
Fuck him out,
Game's over! Blue team won.